Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Whether you're a laundry pro or someone looking to upgrade their sorting game, the laundry basket sorter is about to revolutionize the way you handle your dirty clothes. In this episode, we'll be delving into the sleek designs, practical features, and the game-changing functionality that make these sorters a must-have for every organized household. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of laundry basket sorter on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. This laundry basket is designed to make washing clothes more convenient and is the ultimate solution for making wash day a breeze. With 3 30-liter compartments, you can easily separate your fabrics, keeping lights and darks separate. The bags have handles at the top for easy lifting and carrying and a helper handle on the bottom for easy emptying. The basket has a self-locating rim that makes it easy to put the bags back in place after they've been emptied. The stylish design and neutral color complements any bedroom, bathroom or utility room, and it comes flat packed with assembly instructions. Number 2. The laundry hamper has a total capacity of 30 gallons or 114 liters, with each liner holding 10 gallons or 38 liters. Its 3-compartment design enables you to organize your laundry by type and separate light laundry from dark ones. The shelf of this laundry basket provides extra space to organize detergents or toiletries, while its slatted design allows air to flow through for good ventilation, keeping your laundry odor-free. Each liner is equipped with a plastic bottom panel to prevent sagging, and thanks to the hook and loop fastener, you can effortlessly pull out and remove these liners to easily transport them to the washing machine. This laundry sorter features a sturdy 0.8 steel tube frame and MDF panel, supporting up to 44 pounds on its top shelf. Moreover, each liner is crafted from water-repellent Oxford fabric, while the 4 adjustable feet provide added stability. This versatile laundry hamper fits seamlessly into any room, whether it's your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom. Use it to organize your laundry wherever you need some extra space. Number 3. Laundry hamper with lid meet various scenarios. It is ideal for storing dirty clothes. The hamper can also be used to organize toys, towels, blankets, magazines, shoes, and other sundries, making it a necessary storage organization for homes, cabinets, laundry rooms, nurseries, and even college dorms. Laundry basket with lid is both practical and beautiful, idea gifts for home organization. Bamboo, plastic, and wicker bulky and breaks at the tip, easily scratches the fabric, worse hurt your children. 710D high-density fabric made XXL large 145 liters hamper, about 23 by 14.6 by 27.1 inches. It can hold a week's worth of clothes for a family of 3, and rigorous pre-shipping inspection ensures that it is sturdy, stable, and won't collapse. This gray laundry basket with lid is both elegant and practical. When not in use, laundry basket with lid can be easily folded, saving space and facilitating storage for different scenarios. The humanized folding design brings more convenience to your life. The folded height of the laundry basket is only 1.5 inches. Laundry hamper with lids, double built-in handles, well designed with sturdy bamboo, with a load weight of up to 40 pounds, durable and long-lasting, making it convenient for you to carry around. It comes with 3 removable laundry bags inside, allowing you to sort your clothes more flexibly and meet different laundry needs. Number 4. Our spacious dirty clothes hamper with a 150 liters capacity and an elegant bamboo frame fits perfectly in any room. The foldable laundry basket measures 27.2 by 14.5 by 22.4 inches and comes with 3 compartments to make laundry day as easy as possible. Thanks to the smart washing labels of this laundry room organization basket, everyone knows where to put which types of laundry. Perfect for separation of whites, delicates and colored clothing. This practical hampers for bedroom contain 3 removable and washable laundry bags with handles. Thanks to these included washing nets, your laundry bin stays hygienic and always smells great. The foldable clothes basket is a great way to keep your laundry organized. The large hamper folds up flat for easy storage. Our laundry baskets are made from lightweight material for perfect ventilation. With its convenient handles, it can also be easily transported to the washing machine. Number 5. This 160 liters laundry hamper is perfect for families or households with a large amount of laundry. It's an all-in-one solution that can hold everything, from dirty clothes and towels to blankets, magazines, shoes, and other sundries. Simplify laundry by pre-sorting. Make laundry a breeze with our 3-section laundry hamper and 5 labels to choose from. Customize your laundry basket and separate daily clothes into different categories, such as light, delicates, and colored clothing. This system helps everyone in the family sort their laundry with ease and keeps everything organized. This hamper comes with a lid, keeping unpleasant odors hidden until regular laundry days. Made of thick Oxford cloth and featuring an elegant bamboo frame, this hamper is not only sturdy and stable but also pleasing to the eye. You can carry the entire basket or individual removable bags anywhere effortlessly. Experience effortless laundry with our 160 liters large laundry hamper featuring 3 removable bags that offer the freedom to use them as a storage organizer. With a load weight capacity of up to 40 pounds, it's built to last and ensures durability and long-lasting performance.